So I came across this artwork the other day by Urin Koymans, and I remember this one from back in the day. It's got these three guys scooping dirt in a seemingly endless loop, and it seems pointless. I just remember how it made me feel. So I liked it, and I started scrolling down some more, and I came across it again. I don't know if it's going viral right now or what, but this time it had a quote attached to it by Ellen Goodman. And the quote went, "Normal is getting dressed in clothes that you buy for work and driving through traffic in a car you're still paying for. In order to get to the job, you need to pay for the clothes and the car and the house you leave vacant all day so you can afford to live in it." And it's like, damn, is that inspiring or depressing? Let me know.